afternoon, John. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you earlier, and as promised, here's your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick, go through your competitors in this video to do an audit, and show you personally what would be holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you would get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. The first thing I want to go over is your Google My Business listing here. We can talk about ways to get this one review removed as one star, okay? Now, when I click on website, it does bring me to a website. I'm not sure if this is the one we were talking about or not. However, it says serving Baltimore County and the surrounding areas. I'm not sure if it was just being finished or this is actually a completely other website. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Now, if someone does a Google search for home remodeling CT, we can see that they're running an ad as well as them. And this is called the map pack. The top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within these top 3 positions to drive the maximum amount of traffic to your site. Let's take a look at this first website here. You can see that it's a nice website, right? Looks good. Now, when someone searches for home remodeling CT, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google's looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. Now, their website looks great. However, it doesn't have enough content. One thing I can tell you about Google is that Google loves content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words. So if you were able to have 1,500 words with the keywords you're trying to target, it would really make a difference in you being found on Google. Now, Google actually comes in and reads the content on your site. They're looking for those keywords, what services you offer, and what areas you serve. Having those keywords on your page listed 10 to 15 times really ensures that Google's going to find you. Now let's talk about why they were listed first. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so you can see what you're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. Now, these ratings are really important to your placement on Google. A UR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website, whereas a DR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These are generally raised by backlinks. You can see they have 573. Coming from 190 websites, and 161 of those websites are powerful. A backlink refers to a link that points back to your website. In Google's eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. A good example of this would be if a blog website wrote an article about home remodeling companies, and they listed your website URL as a company they recommended. That would be giving you 1 backlink. I want to call attention to their organic keywords. These are keywords within the content that we were speaking about before. For example, Connecticut home renovation. There's approximately 90 people Googling that every month, and they're in roughly first place. Home remodeling CT. There's about 70 people searching for that a month. Connecticut remodeling contractors, another 70 people roughly a month. Kitchen remodeling Stanford, okay, there's 30 people searching for that a month. Kitchen remodeling Fairfield, 40. Remodeling contractors CT, another 40. Kitchen remodeling CT, another 90. Okay, there's a lot of people that are searching for these services in Connecticut, right? So depending on what services and what towns and areas you want to show up for, there could be a lot of people finding your website. And this is important. The more people that find you in your website, the more people are going to call you and the more clients you're going to end up with. So you want to make sure you're showing up as many places as you can and as high as you can. And in this video, we went over how to get yourself onto that front page. 1, through your home page and how you want at least 1,500 words on there. 2, your UR and DR ratings and how we'd raise those numbers with backlinks. And then 3, the backlinks. what your competition has, and how to beat them out by showing Google you have more authority. If you implemented these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I really appreciate your feedback. Have a great day.